How extreme would you go for skin lightening to look brown and pretty and nice and clean and smooth? Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Samantha and I do skin bleaching tips and review all about the skincare. So if you're new to my channel, welcome. Please like, share, subscribe, watch ads, share the video, and don't move a muscle. So let's get right into the video. So, a lot of you people buy lightening creams and don't know if it is fake or if it's real, and you just put it on your skin like that and voila, your skin either have pimples or whatsoever. And some just look cool and pretty because they're the right one. You can't just take up any product and put on your face without doing research. I do a lot of research and I use a lot of products on my skin. I test them to see which one is best on my skin and how to mix it. I've mixed so many lightening cream and test it. It is good to test the lightening cream behind your ears or parts where people not going to see. You understand? Parts that you know you're not gonna irritate and them something there. It's not nice when it's irritating on your face, all over your face. You put the cream all over your face and just, you know. So you have to know what you use on your skin. How extreme would you go? Would you use a lot of gel in your cream? Because some people use 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 gel in their cream because they want it to work faster. Listen, that will burn up your skin. Worse if you use one jar with 10 gel. Listen, that no work. That burn your skin bad. So you have to know how to mix cream. You have to know who mixing your cream. You have to know the amount of ingredients that if you buy something from somebody, you have to know the amount of ingredients that they put in there. Because at the end of the day, you do not want to look like some crocodile. Yes. So how extreme would you go to get light skin? I'm not going to go extreme. I just want a fair complexion. As I always say, I have skin issue like acne problems, and this helped me to solve that. It's not just that I want to bleach. I know how to mix cream. I've mixed so many creams for myself. I've mixed so many creams that help me with my acne, and that is the reason why I'm sharing it. Because it helped me, so it will help somebody else, and it's good to share. Don't it? It's good to share, so I share my information on here. I'm not going to tell people to use it. I'm just sharing my experience. It is up to people. If they want to use the mixture, you can use it. But I'm not going to force people to lighten their skin. A phone skin. There's so many lightening products people can just take and go in the store and buy what they want to use on their face. Nobody's going to tell people to bleach. But what I want to know is how extreme would you go to lighten your skin. Right? If you don't have skin problem, that is wonderful. If you love your complexion, that is wonderful. I love my dark skin that I had before. I would not change it for the world if it wasn't for the acne that I have, and worst of all, the medication that doctor them give me. I'm not working. So me create my own mixtures and they're working for me. So, you understand? Me take a step ahead and say, okay, I'm going to use lightening cream to help me. Because you know, lightening cream, don't believe that lightening cream is not for something. It's not just to lighten your skin, you know. It is for a purpose. And if you go to the dermo, right, and they can't fix certain things, they know so they're going to go buy one medicated lightening cream. Don't talk truth. Well guys, this is the end of my video. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, watch ads, and remember, don't overdo it. Don't go too extreme. I don't want to know red face, burn up face, sunburn face, none of that. I want it smooth, lightening. Make sure always use the oil in your cream. Always use sunscreen, because you have to use sunscreen. That may I tell you. Yes. Bye guys. Watch more videos.